So
Yeah.
before talking to me, you took permission from your father? If you like my videos, my work, so please like, subscribe and share. Hi,
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. What about you?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm very good.
Please tell me about yourself.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. So, my name is Ikrar Khan, and basically, I belong to UP, and my district name is Sultanpur, and it is located middle of the Banaras and Lucknow,
Oh,
and it is a Everest city. It is Everest city. Yeah,
okay. Okay.
and if I talk about my education, so I have completed my graduation, and I'm looking for master degree. In last session, I did not get the admission in government college. That's why I did not take in private. But in future, if I will get chance, definitely I will.
Okay. Okay. All right. Great. So, in which subject you have done your graduation?
Ma'am, I have completed graduation with Bachelor of Commerce,
Com.
BCom.
BCom.
Yeah.
Okay. And what is your dream job?
So my dream job is different from everywhere. Man. I want to become a social activist.
Oh, activist.
Yeah, man.
Oh, so for that, I don't think so. You need to have any more degrees.
No, ma'am. Actually, the thing is, a person who have a knowledge, both knowledge. I mean, theoretical and
Yes,
practical.
yes,
So
yes,
they
you're right.
can do. They are in future. They will be able to do that work. Okay. So that's why I'm doing,
Mm-hmm.
and I so most of the time I spend the time with people. And in my area nowadays,
Mm-hmm.
people make a panchayat today. Nowadays, people make a panchayat. So in that, I I don't know exact word what should I say in English, but we can say in organization. So people gathered in front of my home, front of my building. So people gathered, they discuss.
For what?
So it's actually it is a long story. It is a long story. It is behind it is a long. That's why I am doing my work, and I follow my. We can say I am following my family status.
Okay.
It is happening with my grandfather's time. So being belong a social activist family, so I
Okay.
do this work.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So, what are the things your grandpa used to do for public, for people, for society? Any example, please.
Actually, to be honest, ma'am, before my birth, my grandfather passed away. So I heard about story. I was able to see and live. So people consider he was he was doing for the people. He was living for the society. So that's why I'm doing that work. And one more thing, my family, I haven't shared to anyone in front of the camera. To be honest, I think you are a first person. My family living out of India. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so yeah, my family living out of India, not a 1 year, 2 years, many years. And my father living out of India since 1979.
Oh my
So
God.
yeah, so but why I do this work? Because I mean, my mother said to me, Ikrar, you have to do for your home, for your society. Matter is not money. Sometime give the happiness is it important. So that's why I'm here. I'm Indian. I live in India. And that is the reason. that is the reason I can't speak English.
So
In my
may I know the rest of your family? I mean, where they are living right now, in which country?
actually, ma'am, right now my family live in India because of the Eid, because of the pandemic. Actually, ma'am, my brother live in out of India in Dubai before 2000. Before the pandemic, he was in London.
Okay.
After no, no, last year in month of the January, he was in London. In February, he went to Dubai.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
so I can't say my family live in one place.
Okay,
Okay,
okay, let it be,
here
let it
and
be.
there.
I'm not going
Yeah,
to ask question anymore related to your family. Okay, so let it be. Okay, please. Okay, I came to know that you want to become social activist. Okay, but apart from
yeah.
that, what are the things you like to do in your leisure time?
I like traveling. Sometime I travel by Delhi to Nainital alone.
Oh,
When I when get the company when I get the company, so I enjoy ride full, especially when I go Taj Mahal.
oh, okay, okay. Great, great. So you have
Yeah.
lots of hobbies. So there is no doubt. I came to know. Um and okay, so what should I ask you? Okay, so let's talk about English. How, I mean, how did you find me? I mean, my videos, and why did you want to join me? Okay.
Actually, okay.
Yeah.
Answer is very simple. Answer is very simple. I want to learn English. I want to improve English. Because of the improving English, I'm using YouTube.
Hmm.
So actually, earlier I talked with Kalapengo companies people. Okay, so they provide me some instruction, but according to their instruction, so I did not like. I was not satisfied.
With
So so yeah, listen, ma'am. So then I moved to another company. Okay, I enjoy. But when I watched some video related to Calapingo, okay, and I found many videos, and then I saw your then after I saw your video, and you talk with tutor and student and learner. So it means you are in my, I mean you are in my boat. It means you are doing good work. A person a person who is doing work for the people, for the society, there is no matter if they are working for the society, they are working for the politician. Matter is if I am giving good work, it's okay. So that's why I'm talking to you. And second thing, ma'am, I have a Cambridge trainer.
sorry.
I have a Cambridge University trainer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Why I am here? Because of your work. I like your work. My
Oh,
father allowed me. Ikrar, you should talk with that girl.
sorry, I didn't get you. Could you please repeat? Because of internet issues, I couldn't hear you properly. The last line, what did
Yeah.
you say?
My father allow me, Ikrar, you should talk with that lady.
Oh,
She is working.
so
Yeah,
before talking to me, you took permission from your father?
I took, I didn't took permission. My father allow me. Ikrar, you should talk with that lady. Actually, I was watching your videos. Okay, and
Your father.
I and my father are sleeping together.
Okay.
Listen, I was using YouTube,
Hmm.
and I was sleeping together with my father. So
Okay.
where my father saw your video, and me and my father watching video one with one mobile. Okay.
Okay.
So my father allow me that you should try to talk with that lady,
Okay.
because because you are in social activist area.
Okay, okay, okay. I got it.
That is a reason.
I find you like an interesting person. Okay, nice. So you are speaking very well. I don't think so. You need anybody to help you about English. You just need to talk. Keep talking,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, I'm trying my best, ma'am. I'm no actually we are a learner, okay, and learning stage is never finished. So yes, I'm trying my best. And one more thing, ma'am. According to my family background, I'm a zero.
Okay.
Yeah,
So you have
that is a reason. But one thing, I
don't
live
say
alone.
don't say like that. At least you have started your journey, right? So
Yeah, yes,
don't
ma'am.
say like that. Everybody have to start from scratch, from zero, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And those people are ideal for others who started their journey from scratch, from zero. Because if someone has money, has power, so it is easy to achieve various things in his or her life, right? So everything is
Exactly.
okay, and keep
Exactly.
working whatever the work you are doing. So keep doing. I uh, I I hope that you will do better in your life. Okay, Ikrar, and
Glad
now
to.
yes, yes, you're saying something.
I say thanks for your compliment. I'm trying my best. If I will be capable for the people, if I will capable for the society, so definitely I will do. And if I will be capable for everyone, so in I will do everyone everywhere.
Yes, yes, definitely.
And
You will
and
do.
you know my one thing. Okay, when we are doing good work, na, so there is a something. It's happened naturally. It's
Yes,
happened naturally, automatically. It's happened.
yeah.
In our in my English journey, I think I have a lot of friends, not a one two, maybe 10,000 plus,
Oh.
10,000 plus, and everyone, majority of the people knows me. Majority of the people know who is Ikrar,
Okay, so
and I
do me one favor. Please send my videos link all those 10,000 people. So okay, so that
sure
I can
sure sure
I will get some growth for my channel. I'm
sure
just kidding. I'm
sure
just
sure. No, sure, definitely I will do. Definitely I will. If I will be capable, definitely I will do. Because
thank you.
okay, uh, where I am taking the class in Indian companies. So
Mhm.
my trainer asked me, Kar, where do you take the class apart from me? So I
Mhm.
said, her, ma'am, I have a lot of friends, and but I never say it to anywhere. I have a Cambridge trainer, because they got confused. Oh my God, if I will teach wrong, so definitely he will ask that lady. He will ask that trainer. So
Oh,
so that's why, yeah. So but unfortunately, one time what happened, in my chat box in my group, where I'm a member of that group, so someone rectify me. I drop a message, and maybe I was wrong. I'm sure I was wrong, but a person who are rectify me, who re-
mhm.
they rectify me, right? But according to some grammatical mistake, they did some grammatical mistake. So there were a trainer. So they said to there, you are right and you are wrong. So I said, no, it's okay, don't fight to each other. I have a one trainer, I have a one my Cambridge trainer, I will ask. So after my message, everyone got shocked. Oh my God, if Ikrar have a Cambridge trainer, so why Ikrar is here? I said only one simple, only one line. I want to become a social activist. So how can I understand the needy people? How can I understand the situation? How can observe the situation for the people? So that is a reason. That is the reason I talk to Indian people more and more.
Okay.
Otherwise, otherwise, in my society, in my family background, actually, I live alone. It's okay. I mean, maybe 11 month in a whole year, 11 month I live alone because in this pandemic I am here. I am not a pandemic because of the lockdown. I am here. Otherwise, I live alone. so other so when I realize because when we talk in Indian peoples always consider Hindi, and sometimes when we interact uh, inter-level people according to the face, according to the get up, then I understand they are able to speak English. So then then I can. I mean, only 5% I can. Otherwise, 95% talk in Hindi. So that's why I always prefer whatever I have, whatever I am learning. I always try to talk with Indian people.
Great,
Yeah.
great, great. But I like you again you are saying that you always talk to Indian people, right? So my question is here that either you are right now living in foreign country, that's the reason you are using these sentences. If you stay in India, so it is obvious that you have to talk with Indian people because you are surrounded by Indian people. So may I know why you were using these sentences that I prefer to talk with Indian people?
No, very simple idea. First of all, I can understand Indian accent. Simple reason. Second reason, if I talk out of Indian people, so sometimes I could not. I mean, I'm not able to understand his accent, uh, pronunciation, way
Words.
of the talking, yeah, words. So that is the reason. And yeah, actually, if I talk about my father speak both accent, Indian accent and out of Indian accent.
Okay.
When he tried to speak in out of Indian accent, so I said, Papa, stop. Try to in Hindi. Try to in Hindi. Very simple idea, and that's why my father never talked to me in English front of me. Yeah, and when my family live in my native place, so no one speak English. Everyone speak my local language.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
You. All right, Ikra. Great, great. It is lovely talking with you. You are like fun guy. I enjoyed a lot. And
Yeah.
thank you for joining me. Now I need to finish the session because I have another session. So thank you so
Okay.
much
Okay.
for joining me.
Yeah. Glad to see you, ma'am. Glad to see you.
Okay.
Because you have accept my request. You have by the by your accepting request, I'm with you. Yeah.
I try to get all people. I don't want to leave
Yeah. Yeah.
anyone. I try my best. I tried
Yeah.
my best, and
Definitely.
I will try my
Definitely.
best.
Definitely.
Yes. Okay.
Definitely. Definitely. Yeah. Giving the happiness in my way of the English style, in my of the way of the English education journey, giving the smile, it is also ibadat, what we call it is also worship. That is
Yes.
good. Yeah.
Right. You're right. Bye bye. Take care.
Okay. Bye, man.
Bye bye.